You are probably one decision away from becoming a completely different person, and that should terrify you. Because here's the truth nobody tells you. You can never fully know if you're making the right choice. Not in love, not in career, not in faith, not in meaning. Yet somehow, you still have to choose. But here's where Kierkegaard becomes dangerous. Enter Søren Kierkegaard, 19th century Danish philosopher, and the original master of existential crisis. He spent his entire life wrestling with one question. How do you actually live when nothing can be proven in advance? He noticed something uncomfortable about human beings. We use reason brilliantly. To delay, to avoid, to protect our egos from the risk of being wrong. He called this objective uncertainty. The things that matter most, love, purpose, faith, identity, can never be solved like math equations. There is no formula for the right career, no proof that a relationship will work, no guarantee that the path you choose is the correct one. And this is the part most self-help videos completely ignore. Kierkegaard wasn't offering comfort, he was delivering a verdict. Most people don't actually want certainty, they want permission. Permission to avoid blame if life goes wrong. But he believed maturity begins the moment you stop outsourcing responsibility for your own existence. So what was his answer? Kierkegaard called it the leap of faith. And before you picture something motivational, stop. This isn't confidence. It isn't positive thinking. The leap is acting without guarantees, committing to something when reason alone cannot justify it. He described 3 modes of human existence. The aesthetic stage, living for pleasure, distraction, dopamine, chasing excitement to avoid facing yourself. The ethical stage, living by duty and rules, doing what society expects, safe but hollow. The religious stage, not necessarily about God, but about making a passionate personal commitment to something greater than yourself, even when it feels terrifying. The leap is what moves you between these stages. And it cannot be reasoned into. It must be chosen. Because here's the terrifying freedom Kierkegaard wanted people to face. Your identity is not something you discover. It is something you build, through decisions made in uncertainty. You do not find yourself. You choose yourself. Because the leap isn't inspiring. At first it feels horrifying. Worried you'll mess up? That's completely normal. But consider this. Not choosing is also a choice to stay exactly where you are. Kierkegaard argued the real risk isn't making the wrong decision. The real risk is never acting at all. Every choice, even the wrong ones, teaches you something real. But regret from inaction? That stings in a way that never fully heals. Life rewards those who participate, not those who wait for a sign that never comes. The only way forward is to choose, even when you're unsure. Especially when you're unsure. Growth happens when you step out, take risks, and commit, even with doubts still present. The goal was never perfect safety. It was meaningful growth. Each leap builds self-trust that no amount of thinking ever could. You don't need to be fearless. You need to be brave enough to move. One day, your life will become the sum of the choices you delayed and the ones you finally made. Kierkegaard's warning was simple. The greatest risk isn't choosing wrong. It's never choosing at all. So here's your question for the comments. What is the leap you have been avoiding? Name it. Just saying it out loud is the first step. If this video challenged the way you think, subscribe to Chasing Sunsets, where curiosity meets truth. I post 1 long-form philosophy video and 2 shorts every week, exploring ideas that change how you see yourself and the world. The next one drops Wednesday. Don't miss it. Take care and bye.